Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Just going to talk you through how this boiler was isolated and capped. So the main heat exchanger was leaking on this Hamworthy, and despite isolating the flow and return pipe, it still continued to let by. So what was done was the boiler was switched off overnight so that you wouldn't get too burnt behind here. Certain pipes were removed, like the PRVs, so that more access could be gained. System was drained from the PRV side and also from the pressurization unit, and the back of the boiler as well have a drain point on here from the pipework that was cut out. Reciprocating saw was left at home, so I had to get the hacksaw out on this. Also a Primofit fitting was used, as you can see here, to make life easier. So just cut, put it straight on, tighten it up, job done. This was giving too much trouble in getting out this 2-inch connection, so instead of screwing it out, wind it out anymore, just put the Primofit fitting on. Down here what you have is a 2-inch cap down there. We have the 2-inch cap screwed in, and managed to do some cutting here and cut out the necessary pipes. Yes, so wasn't easy, had to use some 48s, otherwise it would have been a nightmare. Also had to put some heat on the pipework as well. So to heat it up, I think it went up to about 300 Celsius or so or more. So I had to heat up the joints. This union was taken off. The one down the bottom was a real nightmare due to limited access, and sometimes you just don't have the space for the 48s to move. But yeah, got the job done. So bear in mind, these Primofits can help you out, can save you some time. Okay, I hope this video has helped you. Just remember in future, if you're doing any work behind boilers like this, to turn the power off, get the heat down, drain the system down, don't rush it, and then make sure that you're working safely when you go behind there, that you have your drain points, and that you're going to control the water when opening it up, that you've got your buckets and so on in it, and it's all going to be a controlled situation. Alright, thank you for joining me. Until next time, please leave comments in the section below. Bye.